Good afternoon, YouTubers. I'm not an expert, and today we're going to do an unboxing, but not of this. This is a tenon cutter, and it was in one of my flea market finds last summer, I think. I don't remember exactly when. If you're familiar with this, it's for cutting the tenon on the end of, like that, right, into the hole, into the cutter, and that would make a round tenon like for making chair legs and things. This goes in a bit brace. And you crank it around. Now, I don't have this tuned up and ready to go yet, but I'll have to do that. But one of the things is, like, how do you get the square peg started into the round hole? Well, one way is you could take a knife and carve it to somewhat round, or some other tool, a block plane or whatever. But another way to do it is with a thing called a cone cutter. I've always wanted a cone cutter, but I've never run into one. Well, the other day, Rex Krueger pointed out a new place to buy tools called Tool Trader, and it's on the district website, and it looked pretty good. So I went there to check it out, and the first thing I saw, wasn't the first thing I saw, but the first thing I saw that I wanted was a cone cutter, and the price was very reasonable. So let's see, this is was sent to me by, I believe his name was Lee. Can't remember that his first name or last name. Anyway, seems to be well packaged. There's a lot of bubble wrap, which is good. I can save that in case I ever sell anything. And there it is. It's a cone cutter. Oh, there's not. There it is, a cone cutter. So what does a cone cutter do? Same thing. It goes in a bit brace, and you have to adjust some things here, obviously. Needs a little adjusting. But you put the wood into the cone, and then this big old blade on the side, basically it's like a big pencil sharpener. And it's going to trim that down. So I'll have to get these cleaned up in order to use them. But I just wanted to let people know, because this Tool Trader site is pretty new, that it seems to work just fine. You can pay with PayPal, so you don't have to give some stranger your credit card number, unless you count PayPal as a stranger. You can pay other ways, I think. I didn't look. Anyway, the prices of the tools that are on there seemed reasonable. There's not a lot of people using it yet, but it could be real handy. It's not nearly as confusing as some of the Facebook pages where, like, how to buy seems a little loose. And it's not as expensive as eBay, which is where you would normally have to go look for something like this. So I'm kind of excited. I've got a cone cutter. I can cut cones. And I've got a tenon cutter. So now all I have to do is get around to fixing them up, getting them tuned up, and then I can demonstrate that. So don't hold your breath. Winter is here. I'm not real motivated to come out in the garage. It was a nice day today, though. All right, that's all I got for today. We'll catch you later.